Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining a few targeted servers and immediately making a small, visible presence. Why this works? Active communities surface conversation opportunities fast. Once joined, set a clear avatar and a short bio so people recognize you and know your interests. Then post a brief intro and react to a handful of messages, 3 or more, so you're noticed without interrupting. Make sure to pick servers where you can contribute regularly. Consistency beats sporadic flashy posts every time. Once you're visible, shift from surface reactions to meaningful engagement. Reply in threads with helpful tips, follow-up questions, or concise resources. You do this because sustained interaction creates trust and memorable impressions. Make occasional voice channel appearances. Short, friendly contributions humanize you faster than text alone. Also volunteer for small tasks or participate in events, helping out signals reliability. Over time, combine these actions, text replies, voice check-ins, and event presence, and you'll move from acquaintance to familiar face in that community. You close the loop by converting public rapport into a one-on-one connection. Send a direct message that references a recent chat or shared joke so it's contextual and natural. Explain why. Context reduces awkwardness and increases reply rates. Then propose a small, low-commitment hangout, 15 to 30 minutes for a game or voice call, to test comfort levels. If you don't get a reply, give space, wait 3 to 5 days and follow up once politely. If still no response, shift focus to other contacts instead of pushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.